In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format the text in Google Forms, specifically focusing on making text bold, italic, and underlined. Google Forms is a widely used tool for creating surveys, quizzes, and questionnaires, and enhancing your text can make your forms more engaging and easier to read. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by heading to Google Drive. Open up your web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your Google account. Once you're in your Drive, you will have access to all your files and folders. Next, you're going to create a new form. To do this, locate and click on the New button on the upper left side of the screen. Clicking New opens a drop-down menu that includes a variety of options for creating different file types. From this list, select Google Forms. You'll see an option to create a blank form or use a template. For our purposes today, click on Blank Form. This will open up a new tab directing you right to the Google Forms interface where you can get started with your customization. Now it's time to name your form. You'll notice in the upper left corner where it says Untitled Form. Click on that text box and type in a name that reflects the purpose of your form. Naming your form right away helps keep your files organized and easy to find later on. Once your form is named, it's time to add the questions. Go to the question field. Usually there's a default question box ready for you. Click into the field and type the question you wish to ask. Google Forms automatically saves your work as you go, so feel free to take your time crafting the perfect question. Here's where the fun begins with text formatting. After typing your question, click on the text you've just entered. At the bottom of the text field, you'll see formatting options pop up, allowing you to bold, italicize, or underline your text. Simply highlight the text you want to format, then click on B for bold, I for italics, and U for underline. This step helps your key points stand out, making your form more visually appealing and ensuring that important information catches the eye of your respondents. And there you have it, you've learned how to format text in Google Forms, a simple yet powerful way to make your forms look more professional and captivating. Remember that alongside formatting, clear and well-structured questions are essential for getting the responses you're looking for. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy form making!